Hey all, Himanshu this side. So today I thought of interacting with you all. So today I thought of taking a topic where I will try to explain you how you can start your course, any of the course which you want to go through. So what I will do is I will tell my personal experience with you. I will share it with you, like how I started going through a particular course and then how well I was able to complete that particular course. So it's not in very past that I have started a course. It's in recent days when I started a course, and what I did is when I started the course, I was in no mood. Sorry, I was in no mood to do that course. But what I did is I started giving 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, 7 minutes to that particular course. When you will start a course, what will happen, you will get videos which will not be of 6 to 7 minutes. If you are following a tutor, or if you are following a channel, if you will see, not all the videos are of 20 minutes or 30 minutes. It can be of 5 minutes as well, it can be of 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes. So what I will suggest is go through videos which are of 5 minutes and 6 minutes, 7 minutes every day, and do not get bothered about how long it will take you to. So it may take time for you, like say in 1 month you will be able to complete 20% of the thing. But when you are doing a course where coding is involved and you have no hobby in coding and you have to do it because it is need of the day, then what will happen, you will start working on it. And when you will come back again, just go through that particular video for some time. Just if you are not able to understand a code, just try to see it again, write it somewhere. Okay, in that way you will be able to get it inside your memory, and after some time in you will see what will happen, that you will be able to get the fundamentals. Okay, and when you will start getting the fundamentals, that is the point when you will get the interest inside that particular course. So do not get bothered about, okay, this course has code. It will have, but what you have to do is give 5 minutes only in a particular day. Even if you left that course on one day, you have not touched it even for 5 minutes, start fresh in on next day. Do not think that you have left it, so okay, I have to start it again, everything. Do one thing, go to the next thing, which you last thing which you have learned, and try to recall it one more time. And when you will see the quotes one again and again, you will get habit of seeing it, and you it will get inside your memory. So in that way you will be able to start understanding the fundamentals as well. Okay, so if I will give you an example, if you have to write a Selenium code inside Visual Studio, and for .NET framework, if I will give an example of, and you have to run a URL, launch a URL, what you will do, you will be able to do it, but when you will start it, it will be like, oh, what is this, I do not understand. But keep doing it every day. uh, Keep memorizing that particular web driver, how to launch the Chrome driver, that code every day. If you will see it, you may not be aware of the code what is written, but soon when you will start looking at it every day, it will start giving you ideas that this is what this mean, why it is written in such a way. So make it an habit. And also one more thing, if due to some reason you have uh, paused your course for say 1 week, and you were doing good, but again you pause your course due to some reasons, office work, family issues, or any transition, you stop your course for say 1 week, 2 weeks, and you came back and you were like, okay, I will not be able to do it anymore because I have to start it again. So keep this in mind, that you are not starting from fresh, you are starting from your experience, because you have that experience from longer time. So this is what I have to suggest in this particular video. I will come and meet you all with more videos to motivate you guys. Till then, thank you, bye.